What's going on, my peoples? We are in Seoul, Korea, Cheongdam. This is the richest area in Korea. I thought it was Gangnam, but I guess I was mistaken. So we just left the jazz bar. It was pretty good, but I want to know, like, we had some different food on the menu. So how would you rate the salad?
Like 8.
Salad was 8. Okay, what about the seafood platter?
7.
7 for the seafood platter. And what about the steak?
7.
7 for, ooh, so you trying to tell me out of everything we ate, the salad was the best?
Yeah.
Oh my God, that's crazy. That's crazy. So we're just walking around on the street. It's, you know, it's in the middle of the winter and we're about to find this bar. It's called Mixology. It looks pretty good on the reviews and we're gonna go there. And I want y'all to check out the rest of the video. All right, so we ended up here. It was on the 2nd floor. It was kind of hard to find, but I found it. Went inside. It was beautiful, very beautiful. I was very, very impressed with this. I wish I could have came in for Christmas, but it's never too late. All right, going up to our table. So if you wanted to get the booth you had to at least spend 300,000 won. If you're gonna get one of these tables, or you can sit at the ones closer to where the performance is gonna be. But I wanted to be special, so I came back here. If you wanted to, you could bring your own bottle there. It would cost an extra 50,000 won, but we didn't decide. We weren't gonna drink that much. We ended up drinking a lot, but we didn't bring a bottle this time. Usually we go to spots where you can bring your own bottle. Pretty cool. So we got this bottle. It came with the seafood platter. It was around like 200 something, and then here's the seafood platter. This was very, very delicious. I really enjoyed it. And some of this is some sushi that they had. I just started eating sushi like last week. I had some bad memories with it, but I tried it again and it was very, very delicious. So here we are eating some sushi. The steak was pretty good. I usually get it well done, but I tried to switch it up.
Is all that I can give to you. Love is more than just a gap or two. In rock and legged, take my heart.
It's more sweet than most food. We use the cinnamon sticks, not cigarette, but it feels like similar to cigarette. We use the
Man, I wish I could have tipped her. I only brought my card. Next time I go back, I'm going to bring some cash because her service was amazing. You can't really hear it in the background because there's people speaking, but she was explaining every ingredients, the background is the right word for every drink. It was amazing experience. One of the best experiences I've had in Korea in a long time. So I gotta go back and tip her.
I missed the last part. Shit.
I got everything.
조금 더 숙성을 해야 된다, 아니면 콩을 갈아야 된다를 그 부분을 결정을 하세요. 그분이 이제 글로벌에 뻗어서 하시는 겁니다. 그런 식으로 하는 거 보면서 되게 재밌는 분야이긴 하더라고요.
억울한